Halo semua, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about kami and kita. Both mean we. I'll show you the difference between the two words and how to use them correctly. Kami is used when the person you're talking to is not included in the topic. For example, you're telling your friend that you watched a movie with your family yesterday and you say, kami menonton film kemarin. Kami kemarin menonton film. Kemarin kami menonton film. We watched a movie yesterday. In spoken Indonesian, we remove the prefix me from the word menonton. So it becomes nonton. Kami nonton film kemarin. Kami kemarin nonton film. Kemarin kami nonton film. Another example, you're telling your mother that you're gonna have lunch tomorrow with your friend. Kami akan makan siang besok. Kami besok akan makan siang. Besok kami akan makan siang. We're going to have lunch tomorrow. In daily conversations, we replace the word akan with mau. Kami mau makan siang besok. Kami besok mau makan siang. Besok kami mau makan siang. Now moving on to the word kita. Kita also means we, but the person you're talking to is also included in the topic. For instance, you're hanging out at a cafe with some friends, you're all drinking coffee and you are suggesting that all of you should drink the coffee now before it gets cold. And you say, kita harus meminum kopi ini sebelum dingin. We should drink this coffee before it gets cold. In everyday conversations, you can remove the prefix me from the word meminum, which is the verb. So it becomes minum. And then you can say it like this. Kita harus minum kopi ini sebelum dingin. Or kopi ini harus kita minum sebelum dingin. Now you know the difference between kami and kita and how to use them correctly. In daily conversations, however, you'll probably find that, or some of you might have heard that the word kita is more commonly used in both situations, much like the word we is used in English. So like the previous example where you're telling your friend that you watched a movie with your family yesterday, instead of saying kami nonton film kemarin, you say kita nonton film kemarin. Although this is incorrect and everyone involved might or might not realize this is incorrect, it's still acceptable. Sometimes it could even be awkward to say kami, even though this is the correct one. It could sound a little formal and too proper, like in a textbook. I myself don't usually say kami, and as far as I know, my friends and people I know don't usually use kami either. We tend to use kita. I'm not saying don't use it, I'm just saying that it's okay to use kita for both situations. In formal situations, however, stick to the rules. Semoga video ini bermanfaat dan see you next time. Bye!